All right, and we back in the PM. So I got them long, um, two entries here. A little impatient. Well, actually, first I went short. It was really dumb. I was shorter than premium. I thought we were gonna get this lunch liquidity down here, but we already hit previous day low on ES. So I just got stopped for like $500 or something, playing with profits for 90. And then I reversed my position, went long here. There's only one contract, and then I added another as we dip down here, created this SMT and SMT right here at ES. If you look on the 1 minute, SMT right there, boom. And look at this, we're violating bearish PD raise. So I think we got a CISD on our hands. I want to see a big displacement on the 5 minute above this order block, 5 minute order block. And that could be a potential 15 minutes, 15 minute CRT play. I wish I had more contracts on this, but I already took one partial off at what is this, 65, so like 20 points ish right here, 20 handles. Made back my my loss. My goal is to get 5,000 for today. I don't know if we'll get there, but let's go real heavy. If I get 5,000 for the day, then that would mean I see like 4 days to hit 5,000, get 20,000, and pass this eval. So I got four 300k evals that I'm playing with, and let's see if we inverse this. So I need to see the big displacement above. I think I'm gonna take this. I like this order block right here. This 1 minute OB, 1 minute OB and breaker. So if we get down there, we'll see some sensitivity. Should see some sensitivity to that. If we get down there, let's want to add another contract if we get down there. I think it looks like we're going to reverse at least to the 50% of the range. Let's look at this current range here. So yeah, right about this bearish breaker, and then on NQ, that's 50% of this range. Oh shoot. 118. Text typing, hold on. I want to make sure that I got this right. Oops. Nice, good displacement above. So I want to see. I think I'm gonna hold it for a little bit. I'm gonna put it right above here. Right above that, I want to see us get above this order block. I think I was trying to grab this. Get 50% of this range. It's right about there. Yeah, we're not going to get this fill here.
Order cancelled.
So that. I'm going to stop above here. We shouldn't go below these order blocks, so we must trim my stop here.
Order working.
And it's freaking loud. Let's turn this desktop audio. Let's turn that down. And yeah, let's just, I like that displacement above the, we're displacing above this 5 minute SIBI, inversing that. That should support price. I want to see how we react at this order block and see if we support price up. Wait, what's going on? Why is this so funny? This is on 108. 108. So let's see here. I want to see this order block become a mitigation block. Get this inverse. Shouldn't dip below This looks like original consolidation up here. And I'd like to see it come way up here. But I don't know if we'll get there. Let's see. I already took a partial. I want to see, why is this all messed up? It's all out of sync when I sync 4 accounts. Yeah, so let's see if we get the CRT plays out. I want to see this mitigation block. I want to see this order block act as a mitigation block. I want to see this support price right here. These SIBIs, these inversions, I should say. This is probably the safest. Exit, but I only have 1 contract, so I think I'm just gonna hold it. You know what? I'm gonna put it down here. $118. Right about there. I want to see the SIBI support price here. And I want to see this become a breaker. So this is a breaker, that's a breaker, supporting price. I want to see this 5-minute inverse. We got, we just had our new 5-minute candle. Now we got 2 minutes. At 30 seconds before this 5-minute close. Let's see this 5-minute close above. And see this inversed. I see this support price. Shouldn't go below here. Nope, don't like that. 5-minute close. I want to see a stronger close. Let's see what ES is doing. Okay, ES. Same thing. I'm going to see, yeah, they come against this order block. I'm going to see these SIBIs, these inversions. Support price up, so we inverse this. Especially when I see this one. It shouldn't go below this level on ES. If it does, then I'm in the wrong. But let's see here. This would be the target on ES. I need to see it get above this order block. Might get stopped here. No, it's not what I'm going to see. Dang it, let me get stopped.
Stop filled. Order cancelled.
Bummer. Okay, let's see if we get a potential re-entry here on, so we got a 5-minute CSD on ES, 5-minute order block entry. Did I close out too early? Might have been too early. Dang it. That was the order block entry right there, the 5-minute order block. I want to see some bigger displacement. These aren't really displacement candles, they're just like creeping up. So it could just be a 50% retracement and then back down. Because higher time order flow was so bearish. Got lots of sell side below. if we get a 5-minute inversion and we displace above here really well, then I'll think about getting in again. But right now, still looking bearish, no real displacement on the 5-minute candles. And just want to look at the 1 minute or the 1 hour here. Zoom out. Okay, filled this 1 minute. We filled this 1 hour gap. I think we might go down here around to this lunch level. I think we might sweep the low again and then go back up. And ES hasn't swept this, so I'm looking at this as a potential buy on ES. That's a 1 hour Cibi, or BISI, I mean. 1 hour BISI. And then we got a bunch of order blocks. Breaker. Let's see how we react right around there. And then we have a bullish breaker right here, around here. So yeah, no real displacement again, and let's see here. Let's just post this. Dang, that's 5 minutes. I'm chopping around. I want to see us come down, sweep it again, and then potentially go for a long. A lot of buy side liquidity above. Looks like we're balancing this 4 hour gap. Yep, we bounced that. This might be a rebalance redeliver, so that's a balance there. So we might not need to hit that level. What's this 4 hour look like? No, we still haven't balanced this on ES. So I think we're still heading down. I think we're gonna head back down. I want to see us get support from this level, this 13 level, potentially at around 1030. That's what I'll be hunting for. Some longs. Let's see here, we got Stabilo here. Soup. Definitely still bearish. And I think we're gonna get support around this level. Yeah, new week opening gap, all that fun stuff. And it looks like we got a 15-minute break right here. 30-minute, let's see the 1 hour. Yeah, we got a 1 hour breaker. If that fails, then we're definitely going to these lows and taking out this sell side liquidity. But this still looks like we're in a big sell model. Yeah, so we inverse that and just got to retrace back up. I'm going to retrace up and then I think we're heading back down. So we're going to go like this. I'm looking for something like this at 10:30. I mean 1:30. So let's post that. Okay, so let's see if we do that. I think we're head down there. I'm gonna monitor this 1 hour breaker. Let's see what that does. Just kind of monitor that level. I think we're just, yeah, we're heading back down for sure. Let's see if I can stream with the homies here. Yeah, I think we just retraced 50% of this range, or this range, and then back down. Maybe, yeah. So we're gonna go for the sell side here. Go for the sell side. I think I might do just a macro scalp here. No, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till 130. I think we're gonna get a reversal around this area on our BISI. So I want to see SMT down here. I want to see either one of these sweep the lows and leave the lows for the other. And if I see that, that'll be a good sign around 1030. We could be potentially reversing. Otherwise, we might continue to head towards sell side. Take out got 1 hour BISI, we got a 15-minute BISI, we got I mean, these are all breakers right here. Yeah. Let's see. Alright, so looks like we might have gotten SMT here. So let's see if this SMT holds. We'll wait till about 130. Yep, got a lower low here. Took out that lunch low. And then, so yep, no SMT. This is, alright, now here's a key level. Let's see how we react around this key level. Typically 130 will have a reversal, so let's see if that gives us that reversal. Okay. We're getting this breaker. Previous day low, previous week high. So let's see what we got here. It's not the right time yet, so I'm gonna wait till about 10:30 and try to get the stream going. Verify. Oh yeah, top set. Let's try to get along. I know I'm up $100 on this thing, so let me. So I'm gonna move it. Okay, so we got the 1 hour there. I'm just about to lunch lows. Let's see here. Then that looks. Let's share my screen here. Oops, nope. Let's go. How do I do this? Chrome. I'm gonna wait till a key time. I do like the displacement above, but I don't. I want to see an SMT. Is my screen even sharing? Share screen. Change window. Stop sharing. Let's see here. Let's see what we get. This is 50% of this range. Alright, just reaches. Yeah, Ninja Turtle. Yeah? Yeah, he's revving the engine, huh? I don't know why I'm not able to share the screen here. Can you get this to mommy? Give it to mama. Use 2 hands. Oh, it's really heavy. Use 2 hands. Give it to mama. Okay, if we get a CISD here, I'm gonna wait for an order block tap. Share your screen. How do I share my screen? I don't know. Whatever. Okay. Okay, so I like that we tapped into that breaker. We didn't tap into the busy, but we got a 15-minute. Let's just wait a couple of minutes. Wait for the macro. See if we get anything. Just look at the 15-minute for now. So we're not displacing through this 15-minute. We swept this here. We swept this. We're respecting this 15-minute OB, little OB here. Did we tap into the OB? No, we didn't. Yeah, we swept all the sell side. And yeah, let's see what happens in a couple minutes. Yeah, I don't know how this is streaming or not, but it's okay. I'll stop. Get some work done while we wait. Just gonna wait for this macro. We got a soup here. The soup. We got a soup here. All right, so let's just share this with people here who want to join. All right, so let's have this down here. Okay, so let's see. if we get anything in the next couple of minutes. Seems like I can't stream on YouTube and Discord at the same time. That's good. All right, so hey, thanks for joining. Whoever's just joining, I just took a long earlier here at this retracement, and I'm just waiting. My thesis is looking for a reversal around 1:30. We tapped into this breaker, this 1 hour breaker, like barely, and my key level was around here. I didn't really tap into it fully, but now that we're about to enter the macro, I'm gonna hunt for a long. If we get a CISD, a clear CISD. So, yeah, if we get a clear CISD, let's see if we get something here. We got a breaker. I think the only way I'll enter longs if this breaker confirms, and we get a close above here with displacement. Otherwise, I'm still pretty neutral. So let's see if we get something. I could scalp these little. I think we're gonna make another leg down before reversing. I want to see it tap into this key level a bit more. Yeah, let's see. And attacking this buy side up here, lunch highs. So we just swept lunch lows. This could be one set for life to attack lunch highs up here. About 1 o'clock. I want to see it about 1:30 around this time. So I want to see this tap into here, take out these stops, and then head back up. Oops. Let's see how we react here. So looking bearish. 15-minute OB being respected. Okay, if I was a bearish player, what would I target? Probably here. Breaker. This would be external range liquidity out here on the 4 hour. Down at 903. Which we may get there Friday, but we're about to inverse this 4 hour, then we're definitely bearish. 38, 40 minutes left for this 4 hour. I mean, inverse this 1 hour. I think we're still on a sell program. I should be looking for shorts, honestly, probably. Let's see if my thesis is correct. So I think we might still be in a sell program. This looks like original consolidation down here. Big sell-off. Or it could be an OTE entry for longs. So let's see how we displace. Let's see how we react at this key level. I think we're gonna rally back into, not rally, but I think we're gonna dip back in under here at this 1 hour breaker. I want to see how we react. We're just ranging right now. I want to see an SMT. Maybe if NQ takes out sell side and then heads back up, that's probably the only way I'll get long, if I can see a breaker. If not, then I think our draw is ultimately till 929 or 905, something like that, somewhere around there, around this range if we inverse this breaker. So let's see here, let's see what happens. So heading down. I'm just hunting right now for a reversal at potentially at 130. Typically where reversals happen around 130, so let's see if that plays out. We might be saving those lows. We already took previous day low, so I think the main objective for the day was already taken since we already took previous day low on both ES and NQ, so I think there could be a decent probability for a reversal around here since we already took previous day low. Just looking at my key level that I can actually frame a trade from. So yeah, that's it. I'll be trading my eval and my top stop eval. Got some 300k evals. Got 4 of them that I'm trading right now. Already up 3,000 for the day, but I'm trying to hit the 5,000 for the day and to pass in like 4 days. So yeah. So welcome whoever is joining. Appreciate y'all joining. If you guys hit that like button, that'd be great. And let's see if we can get a reversal around this SMR around this time. See if we get something. So I'm gonna see an SMT. Looks like no SMT right now. I want to see the 1 hour. I want to see how we react up this 1 hour BISI and this 1 hour breaker. So far, we're still very bearish. Let's see if we get SMR here. This is a key level for me, and my target would probably be this 15 minutes, or this swing high up here as TP1, and then TP2 would be up here at 230 if we retrace all the way back up. We're at all-time highs, took previous day lows already, so that objective's hit. Let's see if we get some SMT. So no SMT yet. Almost hit a key level again. I'm going to zoom out to the 15 minute. I want to see a second dig into this key level. So we got 1 dig in there. If there's a second dig and we displace above, or at least, yeah, there's a big breaker here. We got like a 15-minute order block, small one right here, right on top of this BISI. So that could be a potential sensitive area. Let's see here what we get. What do we get? What do we get? So waiting inside the macro, potential SMR right here. I'm waiting for signs of an SMR. Waiting for my key level to get hit. Waiting for an SMT. Previous day level was already hit, so that objective was hit for the day. Now I think we may get a potential SMR to take out lunch highs here. There's lunch lows. The yellow line's lunch lows and highs from previous days and from today. Okay, no SMT yet. I want to see SMT before I enter a trade. 3 minutes till 10:30. 1:30. Still looking pretty bearish. So yeah, great. I'm gonna see a dig down. Give me an SMT. Come on. This is new week opening gap right here. So it might get sensitive in the area if we even get down there to the CE of this breaker. Previous week high, yes, right here at 55.19. Just areas to be aware of, levels to be aware of, to see how price reacts in those areas. So just hunting for longs, and let's see what we get. I'm going to see an SMT potentially, and a breaker form or CISC form on if we begin showing signs of bullishness. Okay, I'm anticipating SMT. Let's see if we get it. No SMT yet. This is just anticipation. So let's see if we get something. Nothing yet. One more minute to 130. And if we don't get anything to 130, then I'll just wait till 230, see if there's a potential SMR around that time. Okay, 130. Okay. No breaker, might be mitigation block. I don't like that we didn't create an SMT. What's up? I want to see. Yeah. Interesting. Oh, no way. Yeah, I know they're moving into a new house. I know Michael and Lisa are moving into a new house. Yep. Okay, here we go. We might get SMT here, so that was just a fake out. What's up, babe?
That's why they're renovating?
Their new house they're renovating.
Oh, they're gonna move in there. I thought they were just gonna sell it or rent it out.
Potentially. Okay, let's see if we get an SMT here. So let's see if this SMT holds. Let's see if we get it. So rejected from this 5 minutes inversion right here. Or no, not inversion. That's just this 5 minute CB. So bearish. I want to see a breaker or CISD on the 1 minute to potentially look for longs. So I want to see this little break. I want to see this little break. Let's see here. And let's see if ES holds this low. Okay, so we got a slight SMT. Let's see if it holds. So NQ took that. ES didn't. So there's the SMT. Let's see if it holds. Nope, didn't hold. Nope, SMT did not hold.
Did you find the police car? Oh, the criminal got away. We need to catch him again. Ready?
Okay, that's not holding. No SMT. Looks like we're just still going down. Let's see how we react at this BISI and this breaker. So we're in our key level. Swept these lows. This looks excuse me. Price looks pretty balanced right here. Okay, we're digging into that breaker a little bit. Let's see how we react at this breaker. Breakers and order blocks are good key levels on the hourly that I found for potential reversal, but that looks so bearish. So this is all balanced now since we've balanced these inefficiencies on the 1 hour. This looks like we might dig a bit lower and go complete this sell program down to these original consolidation back at these candles here. So let's see here. Let's see if that happens. No SMT. Let's go on the 5-minute. Digging into the breaker. Okay, let's see if we get some sensitivity on this 1 hour BISI plus there's a 15-minute order block as well on ES. That can get sensitive. It's like right here. That little order block right there. So let's see how sensitive that area is. So no signs of reversal yet. I might just complete this by cell program down to new day opening gap to the previous week open, or previous week high, and the week open. So this week might be a this week might have a really high wick on this week's candle, the weekly candle, which means that next week might be bearish. Let's see if that happens. Okay, no SMTs. Let's see if we're gonna bullish or bearish SMTs. Nothing yet. Yep, nope.
This is not Leonardo. Who is it? Raphael.
Let's dig it into the breaker. Are we digging into this level? Let's see if we get any SMTs or any signs of reversal. I'm gonna see what do we have here. Original consolidation for ES is down here at these breakers, so we could potentially go lower. These breakers and order blocks down here on ES. So I mean, that's the 1 hour breaker. Just gonna mark that up. See if we just displace through this 1 hour BISI and inverse it, then that's pretty dang bearish. So oops. Let's see here. Original consolidation looks to be around here at this level. This looks like a big rejection block, so I'm gonna put sell side right about there. Let's see if that sell side gets reached. And then we got that that's AM low from Monday as targets if you're bearish, but I'm thinking, let's see if we get some signs of reversal right around this area. Let's see here. So it's chugging down. I want to see some big displacement candles up if we are going to reverse in this area. I want to see this become a breaker to confirm a reversal, or these up close candles become a breaker potentially. No SMT. Delete that for now. I think we're still, so we're getting, there's a new day opening or new week opening gap that we just tapped into or about to tap into right here. So I want to see how price reacts around this area, around these levels, and we might have to wait till 2:30 or 150 to 210 macro. Okay, it's 15-minute OB on ES is not really, doesn't look like it's holding. 15-minute, let's see where we're at. Yeah, we disrespect this OB let it there become a mitigation block, and we're just heading lower. Who's in a short right now, man? I wish I was in a short. I think we're gonna hit the sell side right here. 928. If we get past this new week opening gap at this level. 1 hour busy. So holding on ES. Okay, Maggle's pretty much over, so I'm done looking at, done hunting. Nothing in that macro. Let's see if we get something at in 10 minutes. See if something starts happening here. All right, so 10:40, not the ideal time. We're getting support from this new week opening gap. See if this 15-minute OB still holds. Where are we at on the 15-minute? 5-minute, 15-minute. We got 5 more minutes. If we close above this OB and it still holds, this 15-minute OB, then that's a good sign. We might potentially have an SMR here. Nothing's confirmed until we really get above these breakers. This 5-minute breaker, or 1-minute breaker, whatever. Or if we inverse this 5-minute, that'd be a good sign as well. If we inverse this 5-minute SIBI. Let's see here. No SMT. We just got support from this new week opening gap. This might just be like a 50% retracement up and then back down. There's a current dealing range. 50% right about here. Let's see if we inverse this 5-minute here. Let's wait a couple minutes. Okay. Alright, that looks decent. Let's see here. Current range, target ES. If we inverse this 5-minute, then I'm going to think about getting in right when we hit 145. Let's see how we react. So we got a 15-minute rebalance here. We rebalance that, price doesn't need to go up here if it's rebalanced. We got some inefficiencies up here at 0.98. That probably be my first target right here at this level. But let's see if we can get along. Okay, 2 minutes left. Let's see if we inverse this 5-minute. And this would be a breaker. Small little breaker. Let's see, 2 minutes. dug into the busy, the breaker. It's pretty good signs. I want to see. Okay, we got no bullish SMT. What do we have here? 1 more minute left. If we hold this in inverse is 5 minute, that's looking pretty good to me. Okay, 2 minutes left. 30 seconds left. Let's see what we get. And if we inverse this 5 minute on ES, that's a good sign as well. It's 5 minute CRT right here. It's a good sign, and my target would be up here at 100. So I think, yeah, it looks like we're going to inverse this. Okay, let's see if I can get an entry here at 01. That might just go without me. Cool, we inverse that. We didn't displace above it like crazy, but I'm willing to risk. How many points is that? A 1. That's a lot of points. Hold up. I mean, really, the confirmation would be up here. If we displace above here. Let's see if I get a fill. And the first TP would just be this swing high. No fill? Come on, fill me. We're gonna fill at this dang, if that becomes an order block, that's gonna be a propulsion block and it'll project up. I think I'm gonna get in. No, I'm gonna stay patient. See here. Let's see if this plays out. Let's see if I get a fill here. Okay, these are my order blocks for CISD, at least on the on the 1 minute. Oh, come on, fill me. 3 minutes left to this macro. Let's see what happens here. We got inverse. We're not really displacing up, so I don't like that we're just kind of creeping. I need to see some like big candles. We got some 1 minute displacement here. A couple FEGs, nothing like super crazy obvious. Not super confident in this. I think I'm just going to go 1 con. Okay, I got 1 con in. And if we displace above here, I might get another contract, but I don't want to see it close below this BPR. It's 5 minute BPR. So there's 1 recon right there. That's my target right here. Stop is right going to be about here. So it's okay, just enter the macro. Let's see if we get it. Perfect. If we close above here, kind of wish I went 2 contracts, but that's okay. I might have to just chop it out. Let's see here. Should I add another contract here? We're going to inverse this on ES. And I'm gonna see this target hit right here. Oops. Okay, beautiful. Order block support price. Did we close above? We kind of closed above. I think I might add a contract there. I want to see that become a propulsion block. Order block within order block. Let's see what we do here. So we got a big displacement candle. Let me see. I think we're still pretty not super confident in this. Let's see how we do. So this would be a 50-40 point move if we get this. I want to see this I want to see this reclaimed BISI right here. Beautiful. I'm going to see this BISI reclaimed. Okay, I think I'm going to add a contract here, pyramid in, and just go for, let me see if this becomes an order block. This becomes a 5-minute order block right here, this candle. This 5-minute order block, then that's a good sign. We'll go back up. Then we had a CISD. Let's see here. Who's in this with me? Anybody? Anybody? Okay, let's see how we do. Okay, we're at previously low on ES. It's just a previous level to be aware of. The price gets sensitive around the area. I like the big displacement on ES, and we're pretty balanced in this range. So we'll just get high resistance liquidity run. That rejection block is still holding, and this 5-minute CIBI still holding us down. Let's see how we do. Was that just a retracement up and then back down? So we got a 5-minute inversion. I want to see this hold. Really, this BPR, the BPR is pretty strong. So let's put a stop above at 87. It shouldn't go below this BPR. It's 5-minute BPR. 87. So if it does, then my idea will be invalidated. So let's see some displacement coming up soon. Up to this 15 minutes. Let's see here. Actually, I think my target is probably gonna be up here. Displace here. 15 minutes. At least till here. It's 80. Be a 15-minute CRT play if that plays out. Let's see here. What range are we in? We're in this range here. 50% of that range is 50% of that range is at right above it at that CIBI. So I do like that target. Let's see if we can get it though. So I got a 13, no, not 13, we got like a 15-point stop. I'm just gonna get about $300. Let's see here, just read it out. So it's like a 4-hour play if this plays out. Let's see if it does. And you see this Bissy reclaimed, and you see this breaker confirmed. I have a really good sign if we can get past all these order blocks. So we got a lot to get through. First things first is this Bissy. Let's see this reclaimed. Reclaim Bissy. Let's see if we can get it. Just creeping up. Can do some work while get this out while we're just waiting on this. All right, not gonna say much commentary because I gotta do a little bit of work while we wait on this. And let's see if it works out. Nice. I want to see this reclaimed. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Beautiful. Beautiful. Cool. Alright, beautiful. Let's see if we can get all the way up into that. It's 15-minute or 30-minute CRT play. I mean, I want to aim for this inefficiency up here, but I don't know if we'll get there. Let's see. So, ES hit this high, NQ didn't. I think ES is looking a little stronger. I got a 15-minute civvy right here. Might draw two. Just wait it out. Alright, I want to see this reclaim Bissy just continue to support price. We're just chopping around. I want to see this become an order block, this 1 minute order block. I want to see ES come and take this buy side. Hello. How's that, buddy? Why is Mosey barking so much?
Mama's barking.
Yeah, Mosey's barking. got a lot of resistance here. I need for this. Sorry guys. I need this to become a breaker. Need some to see some displacement above here. This is a mini breaker, but not as strong as if we close above this 53 level. That become a really nice breaker. If we displace above that, then I think we'll probably head to head up here at least to 127 to this bearish breaker or this imbalance. Let's see, what are we gonna get here? I need to see some displacement. So we got a mini bearish breaker right here. Perfect. Let's see some displacement here. 11 at top of the hour. Top of the hour is typically where we see some spooling. So let's see if we see some spooling here. Let's see price spool up. Get some Hulk candles here.
Take a break. Stretch, do pull-ups, pull-ups or squats.
Beautiful. Okay, so once this buy side hits on ES, I'm going to be watching for a bearish SMT. So if we hit this and we just get above here, maybe let's see what happens. So we got a bullish breaker on ES right here. So shouldn't go below this area on ES. And I want to see some. Perfect. Got it. That should be propulsion block. This order block right here should be propulsion block. Get this out of the way. And we should be going higher. Dang, I wish I did more contracts, man. I only did one contract. I just wasn't confident in it, but I'm growing in my conviction. This is an OB. Since I'm only doing one contract, I'm going to be careful right here. If we inverse this 5-minute civvy, that'd be a really good sign. We got one, oh, we just started another 5-minute candle. So if we inverse that, then I think we'll head up to this buy side right up here at 098. Let's leave it there just in case. 098. Let's see who hits it first. ES is going to hit first, probably. Looks like it is. I think I'm going to trail my stop right below this. So we inverse this. We shouldn't go below here. If we close above here, this would be a 5-minute breaker, which would be a really good sign. Close above. Got 3 more minutes. This would be a 5-minute breaker. Just another confirmation for a change in state of delivery. That we're going to head higher. And yep, looking good. Screenshot that sucker. Then I called this out nicely on my Discord. Alright, nice. We're getting really nice displacement above. Creeping up. 5 minute. Okay, ES just hit it. Hit this buy side, so I'm going to be careful here. I might exit. We don't get stronger displacement above. So here's another buy side right here on ES. Let's see if it hits this. ES just hit that buy side on 30-minute Sibi. What, buddy? Okay, we got a 5-minute breaker confirmed. Really good sign. Oh, football! Yeah. Daddy's still working, buddy, but after Daddy's done, then we can play. I know, buddy. Perfect. I think we're gonna hit it. Beautiful move. Get rid of this. Now we got this inversion, this bearish inversion. I think we're gonna hit it. Should I go for this? Let's trail stop. Yeah, yes, hit both. Buy side. Yes, hit both. And okay, I think I'm gonna watch it here. Yes, hit both. Buy side. Okay, I think I'm gonna exit.
Order cancelled. Order filled.
Oh shoot! What the heck?
Order filled.
That was the reverse. Gosh dang it! Freaking on the wrong button. Okay. So I don't know what happened there. It was on this reverse thing. So anyway, because ES hit this buy side, I just got out. Solid trade. That was solid. So that was how many handles was that? I think we're still gonna go up and hit it, but that's okay. I only have one contract, so I just had to be careful. 65.04. That's like 60 points. Nice. Nice. So that was a 4-hour trade. Well, I got out about here. Where did I get out? About 65. About a 3.6 hour trade. So really solid. I think I'm done. That is a solid day. Up 4,300 for the day on this eval. Almost hit my profit target. My profit target is 5,000 for the day. I'm gonna look at the end of the day session, the last hour. See if I see anything, but I might be done for the day. So boom, there it is. Thanks for whoever waited with me through that trade. Took a while. We got there. And yeah, I want to show. Let me go. Boom. Show execution labels. So, boom, there it is. Let's put this on. Caught 60 handles. solid trade. Okay, so yeah, I'm glad I got it there because ES hit, and I'm just wary of us getting. So NQ really doesn't have to hit this high. So I'm glad I got out there, and yeah, that was solid. Solid. Dope. Okay. All right, I'm done. I think I'm be done streaming for today, guys. I might hop on again at the power hour. So if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe.